Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Today, we're talking about weights and measure. The lesson shouldn't be too lengthy nor too girthy. We'll probably keep it under a kilosecond. Kilosecond, by the way, is metric time. Now, if you're in United States of Freedom like I am, or for that matter, Liberia or Burma, kilosecond is just a pinch over a fort minute. And really, that's the crux of all measurement, converting between metric and monarchical systems. For instance, I've got my hands in a lot of hats, which is why I picked up this double donger of a vise over here. You can see that the stationary jaw is 9 centilivres long, while the sliding jaw is a nice clean 4.5 inches. This way, whatever I'm looking to squeeze down on, be it metric or capitalist, I can just turn it around to get the right fit. Totally recommend you pick up one of these. It saved me a whole lot of time undoing bolts while I'm working. 9 centilivres is 90 millibevers, by the way, as long as you read it from the meniscus, of course. I do love metric conversions. Americans sometimes actually go the metric route for small measures. We buy our reefer in grams, for instance. We do machine our parts in thou, though, which is a beautiful empirical unit. Now, the word thou, by the way, is short for thounces. It's equal to 1,000th of an ounce, which is about 3/10 of a gram. Any married guys out there will tell you there's 7 ounces to a carat. Now, that's carat with a lowercase c, mind. If you put it in uppercase, there's 1,000 carats. Uppercase carat is a kilocarat, lowercase, because there's also a kilo carat, which is 1,000 of those. Now, there's a quick price jump there, so be careful how you write it. And don't get me started about price. Money is one of the most complicated units we got. Conversion ratios are always changing, and there's so many currencies to choose from. One thing people don't think about, comes up in the aviation and shipping industries all the time, is that due to the curvature of the Earth, the nautical dollar is actually worth 1.15 times the statute dollar, because it takes longer to get from one end to the other. That is, of course, unless you drill, baby, drill. Now, of course, money's not the only thing where you need to take curves into account. It's a mite harder to picture, but the shape of the planet affects a lot of units as well. Take the nautical gallon, for example. Due to gravity, the bottom is slightly smaller than the top. This means that a nautical gallon is a couple of ounces lighter than a heterogallon. It doesn't matter much for you and me, except at the petrol pump where we're all overpaying, and those pennies add up. Though the penny is a pretty unimpressive unit, loyal subscribers will remember that they're a joy to burn up in the high current machine. Maybe I'll put a link to that down in the old doobly-doo. But really, the penny is pretty weak for a smallest division. I'm told that most of the world has switched fully over to metric money, the euro, which surprisingly kind of divides like yards and feet. If I remember right, a euro is 14 sickles, which are each 14 pence. Smaller than that, there's 29 galleons, 17 nuts, 3 teaspoons, 2 protons, and 3 quarks. 2 up, 1 down. Now, on the high side, you've got 1,000 euros in a kilo-euro. Now, that's standard metric operating procedure. Interestingly, though, there are 1,024 kilo-euros in a mega-euro. Now, I think the extra 24 because the taxes are so high over there, which, of course, is compensating for the negative taxes that they pay in Greece. I think that's what Brexit was about. Now, if you're rolling in dough like I am from these sweet Patreon contributions you guys keep dishing out, you're going to need a quick way to sort it through all your different kinds of money. Now, a little tip for you home gamers, Canadian money is magnetic, while US coins are not. Australian money is inverse magnetic, so it's fairly easy to sort through your pile with some tools easily found in the Empire of Dirt. Thanks for watching. Keep your mice in a vice.
As always, thanks for watching. Keep your mice someplace nice.
As always, keep your mice running nice.